Now, what we have here is a very interesting object. It's made of wood, which was quite abundant on the planet, so immediately we have a rare and valuable object. But what's curious is that it's heavier than wood and probably has metal in it. The clue is in its laminated construction, allowing the metal to be inserted before the faces were glued. It's probably Bauhaus inspired with a strong craft quality, so I'm guessing it's an early 1960s design, but the colouring of the wood makes it younger. It uses cherry and I think olive ash, so I would date the making of this example around mid-1980s. It could be part of a pair. Oh yes, it is. And look at how precisely matched the two parts are. Perfectly aligned surfaces. And the wood hasn't even warped or shrunk. Quite remarkable, and the finish is oiled and in its original condition. Well, it has to be a pair of bookends. Any clue to who the designer is? What have we here? Alan Peters. And it was probably made by an apprentice. They don't make it like they used to.